So for this build, I'm going to be doing a Persian-inspired utility knife. I'm going to be making this out of an off-cut piece of Damascus from the ladder pattern chef's knife from a previous video. So stay tuned, let's take a look at this build. I've normalized it twice, and we're ready for our last normalization, and then we're going to do the quench. Stay tuned. I'm going to put some marking fluid on here so I can mark where I want my bevel to go and my grind. This is helpful so that you get symmetry, especially on this kind of blade where you want the bevel to meet on one side. When you flip it over, it should meet on the other. And then so that's what I'm grinding to. Okay, and then our scribe line. Almost in the center. I've sanded this down to 1,000. And now we're ready to put this in the etch in the ferrochloride to see what pattern we've got. So here goes. I've got this put in a clamp. I've already cleaned it with acetone. So now let's go. So I'm ready to put the handle on, and what I've done is taken a black piece of G10 and carved out the handle here and thinned it out so it's perfect thickness. And then I've drilled through these, there's two pieces of G10 here. You can't quite see, but you kind of see the seam on it. Okay, I've kind of clamped those two together, re-drilled through those holes, and now I want a finished edge because that edge is going to go this way. So I want a nice finished edge because once these are clamped on, I won't be able to sand that edge. So you want to get this nice and finished before you get it on there. So I think we're pretty much ready for fit up. So I got this all glued up, clamped together with epoxy. I got the handles on it. I did the initial profile on them. The filing work's starting to come out. So here's the finished sanding of the handle. You know, it looks a little goofy, but it's super comfortable. Here's the finished knife. You can see the Damascus pattern turned out really nice here. The file work on the back, kind of a stylized handle, but it's actually really comfortable. It turned out really well. I'm really happy with it.